This is John in Los Angeles. It's June 27th, about 2:50 in the afternoon. And wow, this is the opening of IKEA. Everybody here is wearing a mask, and it's sad, really sad. I've been walking around all day long, and there's people jogging in these masks. It's just unbelievable how many people are falling for this. This is the power of your mainstream news, guys. These guys are really sick people. I don't know how they live with themselves. These news companies, you know they're not wearing any masks when they go off the air. I don't even know if they're wearing them on the air because I don't watch them. I won't listen to this crap. I can see people are freshly feared every day they come out of their house. Or they're at the store and they're just flipping out at people that are not wearing the masks. Wow, they bought it. So sad. Just look at this. Every single person here, man. They got us. They got an A for evil, because I'm telling you, this is what's happening here. Breathing in your own excrement is supposed to get out, and they know it. But you know what's going to happen? As you're going to be like 30 years old, you're going to be dragging an air tank around like a 900-year-old woman or something, or man. That's what it's going to be. The lungs and everything's going to be corroded out and no good anymore, and nobody's going to be able to breathe worth a crap. I'm already starting to see it, you know? When I see people walking down my streets or jogging or whatever, like they used to be filled with energy and all that. Now I see them, they're like the Hunchback of Notre Dame walking down the street. They're just out of energy and all screwed up. So it's coming, guys. The next pandemic is going to be the effects of the mask. I guarantee it.